I'm going to use a nice glass down in the center, pour the paint and let it go through the gaps, come down, try to get layers of paint. I'm going to use green and blue and maybe some of that turquoise from the previous video with yellow layers in between. And then I'm going to see how it goes, and I'll ultimately use a piece of kitchen towel, whatever you call it, this stuff, and down on top of the painting when I'm finished, and try to just bring all the colours to the front and see how it goes. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's going to be a black base. Should have said that at the start. Or it's obviously a grey base because this is leftover paint. I thought it was pure black. There you go, it's not. So let's see how this goes. It's obviously leftover, it's in my black container. It's kind of cool, isn't it? Nice marble effect. How do we find the center? We get something that will go kind of corner to corner. Corner to corner. And that'll do. That gives me the center, so I can actually just look through the glass then and do it as close as possible. That looks pretty. Almost there. Yep, that looks good. Okay, so I'm going to start with the yellow, and then it's going to go in between each of the layers. So let's see how we go. Okay, I need just a teensy bit more. Okay, now I'll start with this blue. I go a little bit of yellow again. Okay, then I'm going to go with a bit of green. I didn't do that very even, did I? There we go. Okay, and we're going to go another little bit of yellow. Just a little bit in the center this time, hopefully. A little bit of blue. A bit of yellow. Some of these things can be real quick and easy, you know. Just sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. Green. And then we hold. Okay. Thanks. Stand there. Thanks, mate. Just change the date at the top bit if you want to look at older ones and new ones, okay? Okay, so this is going great. I'm just going to lift this straight off now, straight up, and straight away, out of the way. There we go. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of... I'm tempted to put, just to fill the gap, there's a little bit of a hollow. I'll put a little bit more of the marbly grey in there just for the moment, because when I pull the paint to the centre, which I'm about to do now, it should have something to travel on. So let me just do that now. So take it from here. Oh, so look at my unsteady hand. Okay, here, and pull it in here. Okay. Try not to lean too much on it. There we go. As you draw it in. And that's kind of it. Let me just do this one again, because that's very crap. There we go. Nice. This is kind of a cool one. Interesting to look at. Let's see. So I'm just going to adjust its plane a little bit, if I can. I just want to mooch it to the top corner, to the top edge, to the sides. So it kind of looks like it's filling the canvas. Kind of like that. And the next and last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to hit it with the heat gun first, then I'll do the last bit. Okay, let's just take the bubbles out. Okay, not too bad. Now I've never done this before, but let's see how it goes. Drop it. Then I'm just gonna touch it. Gently touching it. Okay. Peel it off. If I can catch the corners. Bring corner to corner, actually is probably the smarter way to do this. Corner to corner, to corner, to corner, and just lift and dump out of the way. There we go. Now, how does this kind of turn in a bit psychedelic-y, isn't it? Okay. I kind of like it. It's not quite what I was expecting in the center. It might be the way I lifted the tissue that did that, but what I have is a spare piece of tissue, and I'll do that same thing again, only I'll be kinder to it this time. We'll go a second time. Oops. Yeah, that's it. Down you go, you boyo. Okay. Take it to the corner, and to the corner, to the corner. Trying to hold it up to the corner. And then just lift it slowly. And away. There we go,
Okay.
that's better. Let me take you down for a closer look. There she is. Such a simple idea. Such fantastic results. I must hit it with the heat gun again actually, just to make sure there's no bubbles. I'll do that immediately. Let me just clip you back onto the holder. Not expecting any really, because I already took them out, you know.
There we go.
Good. Quick, easy, fun experiment and a success. Beautiful flower. Thanks for watching, guys.